In this video, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube thumbnail on Canva. Actually, this one's very easy, and you already have prior knowledge when it comes to designing. However, let's not make it hard for ourselves, all right? So you can just try to search on our search bar, search for YouTube thumbnails, and you'll see lots of templates here. So you can just try to click on whichever appeals really nice to your eyes and then edit it. Try to change everything according to your liking. Customize this template. There you go. Now this one, if you like this style and you just like to make it more personal to you, then you can do so. Change all of the details here. Maybe you're not that satisfied with how it is, so you change to your mind. You can just click on these suggested ones here as well, like YouTube thumbnails, and you'll see the other ones in the other templates. That's about it. That's how you can make YouTube thumbnail on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.